Okay, I'm after some intuition as to why we can't add fractions with unlike denominators. Let me show you. So let's say I have 3 out of a group of 9. So let's say I have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? And I have 3 out of that group of 9. If I were to tell you to, okay, well, add 3 more out of a group of 9. Well, I can just take 3 more out of that group of 9. Right? But if I were to ask you to add 5 out of the group of 6, you can see what the problem is here. I don't have a group of 6. I can't just circle 5 out of the group of 9 because they didn't ask to add 5 out of a group of 9. If I could go, okay, well, I'll just circle 5 out of the 9. And then I could have 8 out of 9. But if they're asking me to have 5 out of 6, I would have to create a new group. I'd have to create a new group of 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. And circle out 5. Because they asked for 5 out of 6, not 5 out of 9. They're different proportions, or they're different amounts of the group. If I were to act as in like 1 over 2, or 1 out of 2, is half of that group. But 3 over 9, even though it's more, quote unquote, more balls, this isn't really doing justice, it's more balls, but it's not more closer to one group. A whole 1 is one group, a whole 2 in this case is one group. So if I circle 1 of the 2, I would get half of the group. If I circle 3 out of 9, I wouldn't get half of the group. I would get less than half of a group. So the same thing goes for 5 out of 6 and 3 plus 3 out of 9. I can't add 5 out of 6 because they're asking for a different amount of a different group, a different percentage of a different group. Same thing here. I can do 3 out of 9, but with 5 out of 6, I can't circle 5 out of 6. They're asking for 6, 5 out of a group of 6. This is a group of 9. I can't add 5 out of a group of 6 because I don't know what that is in a group of 9. I don't know what 5 out of 6 is equal to in a group of 5 out of 9. In a group of 9. So we have to make them equal. So whenever we say, in this case 18, we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18, and we say, okay, well, you have 6 out of 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now add 15. Then I'll just go, okay, well, 6. This is 12. So I added 12, and then I just add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's why you give it an improper fraction, because it's more than the whole group. That's why I gave us that improper fraction. But I can add, I know what 15 out of 18 is, because I have a group of 18. So I can't do it because they're asking me 5 out of 6, but I don't know what 5 out of 6 is. I have a group of 9, not a group of 6. So you can ask me in terms of groups of 9, but you can't ask me in terms of groups of 6, or vice versa. Groups of 6, but you can't ask me in groups of 9 because I don't know what that is. We don't have any relation to what that is. I'd say it's cool.